I'm Marna, and today we're going to review and unbox the Ken Fashionista 131. I like this one because he is muscular. He has been out in the sun. He looks like he is an active fellow. I already unboxed one, and in fact I've already had him made some patterns for him for some new clothes, but that's another video. Anyway, I like this Ken a lot, except they keep making these Kens different sizes, which is okay. Call them something else, like, I don't know, this one could be Andrew or Anthony or Jesse or Orion or Blake or something. But they make their feet, and one thing I like about this big feet is no stand. He's just standing there, and pretty sure he can do that barefoot too. Let's try it. No. He cannot. So there's your review. He cannot stand barefoot. But what I don't like is the Ken shoes that you get off the shelf don't fit this guy. He has big feet, because he is a muscular, tall Ken. But otherwise, I really like him. I am getting ready right now to do a video on Ken hacks for shoes and one for clothes. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Thank you.